How the heck do I craft with that? Part 6. Finding yourself throwing away lots of paper due to misstamped images? I've got you. One of the best tools every paper crafter will want to have in their arsenal is the Stamparatus by Stampin' Up. While this stamp positioning tool is a must-have for stamping bold, solid images, the Stamparatus helps you perfectly align any type of stamped image. It's also perfect when stamping multiples of the same project quickly and precisely. The best part is, you get the full ink coverage you desire without wasting any more paper. Let me show you. To set up the Stamparatus, place the cardstock down on the surface and secure it in place with the magnets. Lay the stamp over the cardstock with the stamp surface facing down. Close the plate to pick up the stamp. Ink up the stamp and stamp the image on the paper. Repeat the process, re-inking the stamp until you have the desired coverage for the perfect image.